the last lecture we discussed about the basic working of a refrigeration cycle. Now we are going to discuss the TS diagram of a refrigeration cycle. What is TS diagram? What is T is temperature. What is S? Entropy. S is entropy. So here there is a curve like this. Okay. What is the curve represent? Can you give me any idea? Huh? What is the curve represents? Why the curve? Why the area is being splitted? What are the three phases? Can you tell me? Solid, liquid, gases. Okay. So if you take a solid, take ice. When heat is supplied, what happens? Ice is melted. And then what happens? Liquid stage. When again we are heating the liquid, evaporates and what happens? It becomes vapor. Okay, what are the types of vapor available? Wet steam, dry steam. Okay, so when the liquid is heated, what happens is converted into liquid into wet steam, and then again when it is heated it becomes dry steam. Okay, again when it is continuously heated, what happens? It becomes superheated steam. Okay, so now can you tell me what is the difference between this dry steam and wet steam? What is the difference? Very good. So in the dry stream there is no moisture content, there is no liquid particles. That is called as dry stream. Okay. So now in this TS diagram, I can tell you that here in the x-axis we are taking entropy and in the y-axis we are taking temperature. Okay. So here, so this area is taken as a solid, or this area is taken as solid by which it becomes a liquid. Okay. So the left side of this curve is liquid. The left side of the curve is liquid. Okay. So here when this it is getting heated, what happens is this liquid is getting heated and becomes as wet steam. This area is of wet steam. So when it reaches this line, it becomes dry steam. It becomes dry steam. So after this line, this area is superheated. Okay. So here liquid plus vapor in this region. Here it is liquid. Here this is only vapor state. Now can I differentiate? Okay. Now what happens is initially our process has been the refrigeration process has been plotted in this diagram. So where compression takes place? Here in this 1 to 2 process, what happens is compression takes place. Okay. Why this line is here? In which area it is located? Superheated. Why? Because what happens is here the heat is absorbed and then it becomes as steam. It becomes superheated steam. Okay. So this superheated steam, that is why the line is here. Okay. So what happens is when heat is lost, what happens? Definitely the temperature is reduced. Okay. So you can where the heat is lost in the refrigeration cycle, condensation process. In the condensation process, heat is lost. So when heat is rejected, what happens to superheated steam? It comes to what state? It is on the line. So what type of steam? Dry steam. Very good. Can you understand now? So it is in the superheated steam state. So when heat is lost due to the condensation process, it becomes dry steam. So at constant temperature, heat is ejected outside. So here at constant temperature, heat is ejected outside. 2 to 3. So 2 to 3 is the process where heat is ejected outside. Okay. Now, what is 3 to 4? What process? Expansion process. Expansion process. What happens in the expansion process? We are reducing the pressure. So here what happens is, as the pressure is reduced, entropy is increased as well as temperature is reduced. Temperature is reduced. Now here at constant temperature heat is observed. At constant temperature heat is observed. Okay. So now you can see this difference. Here this is superheated steam. During compression process it is in the state of superheated steam. When heat is lost or rejected outside, it becomes to liquid. Again the liquid is coming here, 3 to 4. So in the when the heat is observed, what happens? The liquid is converted into wet steam and then finally dry steam. Again when the heat is observed, it becomes superheated steam. Okay, so this is the representation of the refrigeration cycle in the TS diagram. Okay, are you clear? Thank you.